Hello and welcome to this video. This video is a very quick video on how to do a few tweaks to improve your taskbar. Okay, basically you'd see over here we've got seconds. We're going to show you how to get seconds over there. We're also going to show you how to get transparency. As you can see, this taskbar is transparent. And we're also going to show you how to get rid of the notification center and another option how to actually make this nice and compact. There you go. Alright, so that's already shown one little tweak right there. To get rid of the notification center, all you need to do is basically click over there and then taskbar settings. It'll open up settings over there and then go down, turn systems icons on or off, and then you want to get rid of the action center. So you just turn off that. You see, there we go. So that's that. Now, for getting transparency and the seconds, you need to do a little registry tweak. So we need to open up the Registry Editor, which is here. How we do that is just go over there, type reg, and then it should find it. And then run as administrator. So you click on that, and then that opens up. And we're actually going to make it easy for you. We're going to give you this little file. All you really need to do is you just click edit. And all it's doing is adding these two registry entries. Okay, one is to add the transparency, one is to show the seconds. And if you want to manually do it, what you would need to do is go to the location stated over there. For example, in the transparency version, you go over there, so you click on HKey local machine, then it's software, then it's Microsoft, then it's Windows, there we go, and then it's current version, and then Explorer, and then you just click on advanced. There you go. What you do need to do for both of them is create a new key, so you would go into new, and it's a D word 32. And then what you need to do is type in that word, and then once you've got that, I'm just gonna use this as a thing because we've already got the name. I cannot type it twice. Change it to a 1, click OK. And if you want to remove the settings, all you would need to do is just delete that key that we have created. Okay, there we go. Just click on delete, it would go. I'll show you actually by deleting that over there, closing this down. All I'm gonna do, I'm gonna close down the registry, taskbar, double click on it, click yes. It asks you whether you want to import those keys. Let's just quickly go back, reg edit, run as administrator, yes, and as you can see, it brought it back. That's all it does. It just imports it in. What you can do is also you can hide the taskbar. So that's also another option. So taskbar settings. So now if I was to click unlock the taskbar, I can happily move it around. And there you can see. Bring it back to the bottom. And another option is to hide it. Okay, so basically whenever you bring your mouse down, it comes up. You bring your mouse away, it goes away. Hopefully these little tips and tricks to improve your taskbar's appearance and functionality will help you. Thank you for watching.